by Mr. Rodel Fernandez, the principal of Natolina Elementary School. Silver medalist in this year's Delrami the Futsal Secondary Girls, the Tagum City Premier. We have Raisa Ray F. Laguo, Trinity I. Bulabo, Mikaya D. Brillo, Natasha May Castillo, Irish O. Iradel, Sailin L. Lorenzana, Eve Jovenel A. Morteliero, Sherry Jane L. Doinay, Aston Rose B. Osobio, Mary Bain M. Pandia, Mary Jael S. Basidas, Sharish B. Porto, Yumi Sheen L. Racho, Miles Rian G. Sompino, and Vanessa Jane B. Villanueva. With their coach, Maria Klein L. Doug P. and assistant coach, John Paul M. Laurencio. Once again, palakpakan natin our silver medalists, the Tagum City Premier.